Hi, everyone, welcome back to my channel. 8 treasure rice is a delicacy served during traditional Chinese festivals such as the Spring Festival. It is not only delicious, but also symbolizes good luck, reunion, and happiness. It uses glutinous rice as the main ingredient, paired with 8 ingredients including lotus seeds, red dates, longans, honey cherries, and sunflower seeds, etc. The 8 treasure rice I made today does not have so many ingredients and is a simple version. Let's get started. Prepare 500 grams of glutinous rice. Add the water, cover the glutinous rice, soak for at least 4 hours. After 4 hours, pour out the water, transfer to a container that can be used for steaming. Put it into a steamer. Steam for 30 minutes until cooked through. Prepare 250 grams of red bean paste, some red dates, raisins, and dried black currants. These are the ingredients I have on hand. If you like walnuts, dried cranberries are also a good choice. Or prepare other toppings of your choice. The quantities of these ingredients will depend on the complexity of your styling. As much or as little as you like, prepare a small bowl, about 250 milliliters capacity, and put plastic wrap on it to prevent sticking. On the bottom layer, put raisins, then put a layer of cooked glutinous rice, and press it tightly with your hands. Next put the red bean paste and press it tightly, then put a layer of glutinous rice and press it tightly. Place 6 red dates on the side of the bowl. Then put the glutinous rice and press it tightly. 1 bowl of 8 treasure rice is finished. Do the same for the rest cooked glutinous rice. I made 4 bowls of 8 treasure rice. Regarding styling, just style whatever pattern you like. Prepare a plate, invert the bowl onto the plate and remove the plastic wrap. Put it in the steamer. Steam for another 20 minutes. Turn off the heat. The delicious 8 treasure rice is ready. 8 treasure rice can be placed in the freezer and heated in the microwave when serving. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.